Welcome back friends, this is Current Affairs Funda and today we will discuss the next part of number system. Okay, basically I have covered part 1 and part 2, so it's all about the part 3, so we will discuss today. And guys, before going I want to tell you something about our channel. Basically we are delivering free education for all of you. Spread the word among your friends and please share for the people who can't afford the coaching classes and preparing from home also. You know, learning is priceless, that's why I'm telling you, so please do at least. And guys, if you want any specific video on any specific topic, then please do comment on our Facebook channel, that is facebook.com/currentaffairsfunda CAF. Okay, it's all about our Facebook channel. And guys, do subscribe here before watching this video, because if I'll uploaded any video on our YouTube channel, then you will be directly notified from this channel. That's why I'm telling you to subscribe this channel. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and let's start our next topic for the number system. Okay, so guys, today we will teach you the test of divisibility, how you can judge whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, so in this video lecture I'll tell you how you can justify whether the number is divisible by 2, 3, 4 something. Okay, so first of all, the first rule, that is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. How you can judge whether the number is divisible by 2 or not? You just need to see the unit digit. Okay, if the unit digit, that is 0 or any even number, okay, that means the number is divisible by 2. Okay, for example, see few examples, basically 22 or 40 or 84. See, basically there is a 2, then this number is divisible by 2. There is a 0, this number is divisible by 2. There is a 4, that is even number, so this number absolutely divisible by 2. That is the divisibility rule for 2. Okay, see guys, divisibility rule for 3. How you can judge whether the number is divisible by 3 or not? If the sum of digit in the number is divisible by 3, I'm typing here, if the sum of digit in the number is divisible by 3, okay, then you can say the whole digit is divisible by 3. Example guys, suppose you have a number like 2553. Add all the digits, so it will be 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3. So the result will be 2 plus 5, that is 7, 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3, that is 15. Now if the sum of the digit in the number is divisible by 3, check this number is divisible by 3 or not. This number is directly divisible by 5 and the answer would be 5. Okay, if the number is divisible by 3, then your whole digit also divisible by 3. Okay, it's all about the basic funda that is applying for divisibility rule of 3. Okay, see guys, next divisibility rule for 4. This D denotes divisibility. Okay, I am not writing the whole word, that is divisibility. D stands for divisibility. Okay, and now guys, see divisibility rule for 4. Basically, if the last two digit is divisible by 4, then you can say the whole digit that is divisible by 4. I'm writing here, if the last two digit is divisible by 4, then you can say the whole number is divisible by 4. For example, like that your number is 2652. Okay, so the last two digits, that is 52. Check, is 52 divisible by 4? Yes, 13 times. So the whole number will also divisible by 4. So 2652 will divisible by 4. Okay, this is the concept that I am telling you. Now see guys, next divisibility rule for 5. Okay, this is really very simple. When unit digit will be 0 or 5, when unit digit will be 0 or 5, then your number will be divisible by 5. For example, like 50, the unit digit, that is 0, 25, 125, 1250, etc. Okay, it's all about the basic concept for divisibility rule of 5. Now guys, let's move for divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. Guys, one thing more, you can prepare the notes along with me, because I'm writing very slowly for you. So you just you don't need to pause the video, you can write along with me. Okay, if I'm writing here, then you can also keep prepare your notes side by side. Okay, see guys, divisibility rule of 6. How can you judge whether the number is divisible by 6 or not? Okay guys, if the number is even and sum of the digits are divisible by 3, that is the basic condition to judge whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. See, first condition, that is number should be even. Number should be even. And second, sum of all the digits, sum of all digit divisible by 3. The 3 divisibility rule that I have already discussed, so no issue. If you know this, then you can solve also the divisibility rule for 6. Okay, see guys, example, because without example you cannot learn how the basic phenomena is going. Okay, see that your number, that is 4536. Okay, so first of all, this is the even number, the even number criteria that is fulfilled, so that is okay. See, second condition, the sum of all the digits, so the sum of all the digits will be 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6, so it will be 4 plus 5, that is 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 6, that is 18. Is 18 divisible by 3? That is 6 times. Okay, so your whole number 4536 is also divisible by 6. Okay, this is basic concept for the rule number 6. So now guys, let's move for another basic rule, that is divisibility rule for 7. Divisibility rule for 7. Okay, so guys, if you double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of numbers and your answer is like 0 or divisible by 7, then you can judge whether the number is divisible by 7 or not. See guys, this is really very tricky, so I'll definitely write the whole concept that I'm telling you. If you double the last digit, if you double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of number, the rest of digit, and answer answer will be 0 or divisible by 7. Okay, then your number will definitely divisible by 7. See, for example, suppose there is a number that is 672. Okay, so guys, that is unit place, so 2 into 2, you have to double that number, it will be 4. Okay, and deduct that number from the rest number are 67, so rest number, that is 67, so deduct that 4 into 67, so it will be 63. Is 63 divisible by 7? Yes, it will be 9 times. So this digit 672 will definitely divisible by 7 also. Okay, so this is the basic concept. Now guys, let's move for divisibility rule for 8. Divisibility rule for 8. Okay, see, if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then your whole number is divisible by 8. If last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then your whole digit will definitely divisible by 8. This is all about the divisibility rule. See, for example, that is 4 7 and 4 7 2. Okay, suppose this is your number and you have to check whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. So first of all, pick the last 3 digits, that is 472, and guys, check whether the 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. So it will be 5 times, it will be 40, and 7 2, it will be 9 times. Then this is divisible by 8, so whole digit, that is 47472 will definitely divisible by 8 also. Okay, suppose guys, if there is a big digit like 3 4 4 5 2 3 4 5 4 7 2, this is your second example. Check whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. Then guys, there is a basic funda that you can divide the whole equation by 8. Then you can also check whether the number is divisible by 8 or not. That is also a way, but avoid this way. You just need to check the only 3 digits. Okay, if 3 digits are divisible by 8, then your whole number will definitely divisible by 8. That is the basic concept that I'm telling you. Okay, see guys, now let's move for our next, that is divisibility rule for 9. Okay, so how you can judge whether the number that is divisible by 9 or not. Okay, so this is also very simple guys. If the sum of its all the numbers are divisible by 9, then the whole number will definitely divisible by 9. If sum, that is sum of all the digits, sum of all digit is divisible by 9, then you can say whole digit that will definitely divisible by 9 also. See example guys, suppose your number is 108936. Okay, so add all the numbers, 1 plus 0 plus 8 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6. Okay, so it will be 27, and if you divide by 9, then you will get 3. So guys, sum of all the digits are divisible by 3, all divisible by 9, then or this digit will definitely divisible by 9, that is okay, that is 100% true. Okay, see guys, now let's see next, that is divisibility rule for 10. How you can check whether the number is divisible by 10 or not. Okay, so guys, this is really very simple. The condition would be like this: if unit digit is only 0, example 10, 100, 120, 3400, etc. Okay, see the unit place, that is 0, that is also 0, that is 0, that is 0, so your number will definitely divisible by 10. Okay, now guys, see the divisibility rule for 11. Okay, divisibility rule for 11. Basically there is a few tricks to check whether the number is divisible by 11 or not, but I'm telling you a very precise trick. So guys, keep write down all the text that I'm writing here. First of all, add and subtract digit in alternate way. Add and subtract the digit in alternate way. Alternative way, that means you have to pick one digit and after that left one and choose third digit. It's all about the alternative digit. Okay, add and subtract digit in alternative digit pattern. Okay, and that means add first digit, then subtract second, and again add third digit, and again subtract fourth digit. Okay, see, for example, suppose you have a number like 1122. You have to check whether the number is divisible by 11 or not. So first of all, that I write a word like add first digit then subtract second. Okay, so first of all you should write like in this way: 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2. Okay, if you do all these two things, then your result must be 0 or divisible by 11. So this is the basic condition. Okay, so the result will be 1 minus 1, it will also cancel, 2 minus 2 is will also cancel, and the result will be 0. So if you getting the result that is 0, then your number will definitely divisible by 11. Okay, so 1122, that will definitely divisible by 2. And guys, see next example, that is 3729. 3729, check. First of all, add 3, it will be plus 3, and then subtract 7 minus 7, and again add 2 plus 2 and minus 9. Okay, so guys, 3 plus 2, that is 5, and 9 minus 7 minus 9 minus 7, it will be 16. 16 minus 5, it will be minus 11. See guys, minus 11 will definitely divisible by 11, it will be minus 1. Okay, that's why I'm telling you this number will definitely divisible by 11 also. Okay, so it's all about the basic fundamental of the test of divisibility. And now guys, check one more, that is divisibility rule for 12. how can check whether the number is divisible by 12 or not? Okay, so guys, for the 12 your number, the addition of number should be divisible by 3 and 4. The addition of number should be divisible by 3 and 4. Okay, for example, suppose 84, so adding 2 digits you will get 12. 12 by 3 it will be 4, and 12 by 4 it will be 3. Okay, so all the 2 digits are divisible by 3 and 4, then 84 will definitely divisible by 12 also. Okay,